Very warm welcome to all of you here. I'm sure you're all very eager to see the film rather than listening to all our speeches, so I'll make it very short. Dr. Nicholas Hill, State Secretary for Culture, Ms. Julia Doughty from the Ministry of Culture, Mr. Martin Aust of Metropolis Kino, Mr. Anurag Kashyap, Mr. Fatih Akin, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed my honor and privilege to welcome you all this evening at the inauguration of the Indian Film Festival of Young Directors. You already know that we are celebrating 60th anniversary of establishment of diplomatic relations between India and Germany, and the days of India in Germany are being celebrated from May 2012 to March 2013. And the Hamburg 823rd Food Festival, where India participated as a partner country, was the inaugural event of these Days of India, and it was a very proud moment for all of us, even as we showcased India's traditions and cultures in the form of music, dance, textiles and handicrafts, tourism and science and technology. We also had a business delegation. We would like to continue this momentum by organizing events such as this film festival and many other events till March 2013, so that the images of India remain in the public consciousness of the people of the city of Hamburg. The films which will be shown in the next 10 days will give you all a glimpse of modern Indian cinema. This film festival will not only showcase the works of an upcoming successful young director such as Anurag Kashyap, but also other modern young directors such as Gautam Ghosh and Rituparna Ghosh from the regional cinema of West Bengal, Maharashtra and Kerala. These films will provide us with an insight into the diverse nature of Indian society and the many challenges that our society faces. With their universal appeal, these films form the major bulwark of portraying India as a soft power. Connecting with audiences around the world, today India is the leader in production of films. This year we celebrate 100 years of cinema, and Metropolis Kino has given us an opportunity to celebrate this centenary by bringing modern India to the people of Hamburg through these films. In this context, I would like to acknowledge with appreciation and the contribution made by Ministry of Culture, and especially the role played by the Senator for Culture, Dr. Barbara Kiesler and Dr. Nicholas Hill, encouraging and supporting not only Metropolis Kino, but also the Indian Consulate to get the films of these young directors and indeed invite Mr. Anurag Kashyap to be the chief guest of this festival. Our sincere thanks goes to Dr. Hill and Ms. Julia Doughty. Last but not least, special thanks to Metropolis Kino, Mr. Martin Aust and Rita Bagrovitz for organizing this event. And thank you all for coming here today, and enjoy the evening. Thank you.